You have a vision for your space, how it should come together, how it supports your team, how everything needs to work once it's in use. Bringing that vision to life is where the real work begins. Building a new space or updating your current one takes coordination and a lot of moving parts coming together at the right time. It's often everything leading up to installation where coordination becomes critical. Confirming the space is ready for installation, coordinating delivery access and timing, and staying on top of details that don't always have a clear owner. All of it can pull your focus away from what matters most. That's where Midmark comes in, taking on coordination behind the scenes so your equipment implementation goes smoothly. Whether you're updating a single room or building a more complex space, a dedicated project manager works directly with you, your contractor, and other partners, confirming site readiness, coordinating timelines, and making sure everything is in place when it needs to be. Because the real cost of your project isn't just what you buy, it's everything it takes to bring it together. See how Midmark can support your next project. Talk to your sales representative or visit midmark.com/services.